Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log into the Development Bank of the Philippines. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.dbp.ph and hit enter. After the home page of the DBP opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the online banking option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the online banking option, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the DBP EC banking option. After you click on the DBP EC banking option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, on the left hand side of your screen, you'll see the login tab. On this tab, you'll have to fill in your user ID here, your password here, and then click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged in to the DBP. I hope this video helped you to log into the Development Bank of the Philippines. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.